Hi, folks. My name is Joe Intrieri. I'm an assistant principal at Spring Grove Area High School. Just a little bit about me. I've been in this position. It's my fourth year. Prior to that, I was an assistant principal at Littlestown High School for a year and a half. But I'm originally from the Pittsburgh area, and that's where I had my teaching experience there at Blairsville-Salzburg School District and Forbes Road Career and Technology Center. Some other things about me here. I'm right now a student at Shippensburg, but it's a joint program with Shippensburg and Millersville because I'm a doctoral candidate right now. This is actually the last class that I have to take, and then really in the spring I'll be starting my dissertation, which will have something to do with the integration of one-to-one technology devices in schools. Just a little bit more about me. My wife is also a teacher. She is a health and PE teacher at Hershey High School. And she's also the head softball coach, so she's a little concerned because the baby's due right during softball season. And that's the other key thing. We do have a kid on the way, and that is the big news for us. I look forward to this class and getting to know other folks as well. Thank you.